So this brings to a close the 2009 edition of the Koch Institute Symposium, and I think you'll all agree with me that consistent with our title, as exemplified by a terrific group of speakers, through the development of new technologies and new models and new molecular insights, we are indeed beginning to understand the metastatic process in some detail, and that's good news. Because between now and the time that we return next year, something like 7.5 million people in the world will succumb to cancer, and about 7 million of them will die due to the consequences of metastasis. And so this really is a pressing problem, and I'm sure that the advances that we've heard about today and more coming from the field will help us address this issue through the control of the metastatic process or the treatment of metastatic disease, which is, of course, a key opportunity in cancer. I want to thank again Bob Weinberg and Richard Hines for organizing today's symposium, and all the speakers who've participated and contributed so much through a series of really excellent talks. It's been a terrific day of science. I want to thank the company sponsors and the vendors who help support this symposium, and thank the audience as well for your attendance and your participation. And finally, I want to thank Pam DeFreya, who almost single-handedly organizes the logistics of this event and always does a wonderful job. So to all of the above, please express a round of applause. And before I let you go and off to enjoy your Friday evening and your weekend, I'll mention that the 2010 symposium is already well underway in planning. It'll be organized by Phil Sharp and Angelica Ammon. And in recognition of the fact that it's the last year that we're in our old building and before we move into our new, it'll have a bit of a reunion feel, featuring primarily, if not exclusively, MIT faculty, past and present, as well as a large group of former trainees from our program to celebrate the great accomplishments in cancer research that have taken place here over the past 35 years. So please join us for that, and again, thanks for your attendance.